I have a question about this now, because the question is, can be forgiven if my Sephardic ancestor converted to Catholicism? But I read that this is forbidden, that is a karet. You cannot convert, even if you are obligated by the Spanish, by the Spaniards. You cannot convert to Catholicism. You must die, I read somewhere.
Yeah, no, it's correct, yeah.
So what in that situation, what would be, how to do teshuvah for that sin of, has it teshuvah? Can you do teshuvah for that?
Yes, you can do teshuvah. That's the mercy of HaShem, that you can do teshuvah for any sin. And even though you're right 100%, it's one of the three great sins that the person has to give up his life and don't do it. So all other things, when they force you to do, you do whatever needs to do, whatever they ask you, right? They ask you to eat the pig, that's what you must do, you eat the pig. They ask you to make fire on Shabbos, you make fire on Shabbos. But three things we're not allowed to do. So which are three sins, right? First is to kill somebody. They say, you will kill this guy, we're going to kill you. You have to be killed or bow to the idol. So that's what you're talking about, right? So bow to the idol, accept this idol worshiper, or we're going to kill it. You say, kill me, I'm not going to bow. I'm going to Gan Eden, right? Or the third one is Gilur Arayos, forbidden sexual relations, right? They say you have relations with this woman, with your mother, with your sister, with whatever, somebody's wife, we're going to kill her, or even a not married woman, right? So I said, no, I'm not going to do that. And so you have to take, choose to die on one hand. On another hand, so if person did not do it, for whatever reason, we don't judge anybody. These people in Spain was under a lot of stress, right? So if person did not do it, so Beis Din cannot put them to death. They deserve only the death by the hands of heaven. You understand? So that's the only. So as you remember, if you remember, there was a massacre here in US in Pittsburgh. I don't know if you heard, like some crazy guy came with a rifle and started shooting people in Reform synagogue, right? Whatever, temple, whatever. So and some clowns, many clowns, trying to be politically correct, they said that these are holy people, and they go into Gan Eden. They're martyrs. They go to Gan. That's not what Rambam said. Rambam said you go to Gan Eden. The biggest with Rabbi Akiva. He said if they offer to Rabbi Akiva, you convert, or we're going to kill him. All of he and the 9 other martyrs, they say, no, kill us. What do you mean? There is no choice for us. That's what we do. You understand? But these people, they didn't have choice. They would convert. They converted to this reform, right? So you understand? So nobody asked them. Nobody asked them if they're going to convert or they're going to die. So the guy just killed them. So it's totally different halacha.